Hi, hey middle schoolers, it's Mr. Fogel here. I know it's been a long time since we've seen each other, and I really miss coming into school pretty much on a daily basis. But we're going to try something different. This is online learning, so let's have a little bit of fun. This week, we're going to try a different project using Minecraft. And this is going to be a little fun project that I found, and I hope that you enjoy using it. And so what we're going to do is I'm going to create a little series of videos and show you how to walk you through downloading it, installing it, and getting it ready, just in case if you need it. So this first video here is basically on how to download and get it set up into your Minecraft world. The first step here is going to be logging into your student portal. This should be a very familiar process by now. And so if I scroll down here, you're not going to see the Circ assignment right off the bat. And so what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to go to the grades page, and you can click on the click here to the grades page, or just simply click on grades. Both will take you there. And you have to scroll down a little bit further, and you want to find the Circ class. You click on Circ, and then you'll see the active lessons right now. And so over here, right now, this is called test. Whenever you are actually really downloading it, it will not be called test. But there will be a download called bookcover.mcworld. And if you click on that cover, it should take you to like a downloads page, and you'll have a familiar download window. And if you remember right back in school, where did we always tell you where to save things? If I can find it, the OneDrive Seneca Valley folder. So if you click on OneDrive Seneca Valley, and it'll be called Book Cover. Now mine has a number 2 next to it, yours probably wouldn't. And so I just click on Save. And then if you're using Google Chrome, that's the process that it will look like. And at the bottom right here, you'll see where it says bookcover.mcworld. And all you have to do is just simply click on that one time and wait a couple of seconds. And what it's going to do is it's going to load up Minecraft that should already be installed on your machine. And there you go. Once it opens up in Minecraft, it may ask you to pick an account. I'm going to choose the one that says SVSD, and it should start importing the world. This whole process can take 2 to 3 minutes, so you just have to be patient, and you can read the tips and tricks box that loads up. And so just be patient, and eventually the world will load. And so that is the basic instructions on how to download, open, install the game. And so I'm going to stop the video right here. The next video will show you how to begin actually designing your book cover.